Recognize this? Cades Cove Loop in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. I've been there countless times throughout my life because I was born nearby. We're Trisha and Randy. Welcome to our van build, plus where to go, what to see. It's adventure time. We have camped here often. Okay, here we are in Cades Cove, and we have our hillbilly dog carrier. The Smokies have inspired many of my paintings, and today I'm going to take you into my studio and let you see me in action. This is Abrams Creek that runs between the campground and the picnic area. Sorry, this is an old video. Okay, for Tumbling Stream, I'm just going to go ahead and sketch with toned down burnt sienna. I'm speeding this up. This video is really more for travelers and art collectors. For full lessons, go to my artzXpress channel, where I present detailed lessons on how to draw and paint for free. Now, I have artistic license to slightly change things if I need to for the sake of the composition. I mean, this is a real place. I like painting real places because I think it's neat for people to know that they can go to this place and they can see this thing that I think is so amazing. And that's part of why we do what we do with Wonder Wonders. We want people to go out and see and experience the same amazing things that we have experienced and the things that light us up and make us happy. Okay, so the next step is to lay in darks and lights. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I have laid in all the shadows. Now this is like first layer. And now I'll be putting in some of the, highlights, but this still needs to go dark. And then I'll come in and I'll put the highlights of the water over that. Okay, I'm laying in some water, little ultramarine mixed with white. A great way to support this channel is to buy my art. It's a win-win. I discount these little jewels for our subscribers and those who have signed up for our monthly digital newsletter. The details are below. They are not on my fine art website. I'm going to put this one aside for a little bit. It's a little jewel. This is from Cades Cove in the Smoky Mountain National Park. It is between the campground and the picnic area. I think that's Abrams Creek that runs through there. And I love this area. It's where we used to go when I was a child. And I have very happy memories of playing in the stream. And we took our kids there many times when they were growing up. My oldest son learned to ride his bicycle without training wheels there. So, anyway, very happy memories going into here. I have some little details. Here's mushrooms, here's some plants, here's some petals from the rhododendron that have fallen. I don't have all the leaves laid in, it's too wet, so I'll come in and lay in a few more leaves up there. Interesting, this one was taken from the same trip. Now, not finished with that yet. I got to finish off the rhododendron and the details, but same trip. Anyway, 7 by 7 inches, but I have crammed a lot into that, which is why I think these are an amazing value. So much joy painting these and reliving these memories that I think it'd make a great gift for you or someone you love. As always, see you on the next adventure.